How to replace the LCD panel. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, WLAN module, display panel assembly, and LCD bezel. Removal. Important: the LCD panel is held in place by 2 strips of stretch-release tape. Each tape strip has a plastic pull tab attached to one end. One at a time, grasp the pull tab of each strip of tape and carefully wrap it around the end of a tool, such as a screwdriver or tweezers. Slowly twist the tool to release the tape. Continue twisting until the entire strip has been removed. Important: if the stretch-release tape strips are pulled too quickly or at an extreme angle, they will break before releasing the LCD panel. Note: the removed stretch-release tape is not reusable. Partially remove the LCD panel cable from the routing channel on the LCD enclosure. Lift the LCD panel off the LCD enclosure and turn it over to gain access to the LCD panel cable connector. Peel back the retention tape and disconnect the LCD panel cable from the connector on the LCD panel. Remove the LCD panel. Important: please refer to the maintenance and service guide for instructions on replacing the LCD panel. The stretch-release tape strips that secure the LCD panel to the display enclosure must be placed in a specific orientation.